Hi, Nick Dogan, North State Law, where you safeguard your professional license so you can get back to business. Today we're going to be talking and asking the question, can engineers in the state of North Carolina sign and seal plans created by another? And well, that depends. The answer to that question is yes, if the individual is under the responsible charge of the engineer. And in order to even be able to do that, the engineer has to exercise direct supervisory control of his responsible charge in order to properly sign and seal the plans created by that quote unquote responsible charge. So direct supervisory control is going to be, in a sense, I just use a couple examples. I would say responsible charge would be maybe an engineering training. You and the engineering training have discussed where he or she's going to go, what he and she is going to do, the type of pictures that he or she is going to be taking, what the actual issue, say it's a structural engineering issue, and you both are properly trained in that particular field of engineering, that you both are on the same page as far as that's concerned. And once that's done, you both have a meeting. You know, those are the types of examples of exercising direct supervisory control that, in my opinion, the administrative code is talking about. The main reason, obviously, is they don't want somebody that, even though they might be licensed in a certain capacity, you guys and ladies might not be on the same page, and therefore create an issue if a sign and seal plans created by somebody else, even if they are your responsible charge. You know, you got to make sure that everything is, you know, all the T's are crossed, the lower case J's are dotted, and that you both are on the same page, right? Got to make sure all that's done. So the answer to the question is yes, an engineer can properly sign and seal plans created by another, but it's got to be their responsible charge and under their direct supervisory control. Also, one of the other things is you got to make sure that they're licensed too. I think that's kind of a no-brainer. I mean, you don't want to have somebody where you're doing something and they're not qualified in whatever field to actually do that. And you also, one more thing, and I touched on it a little bit, but you also want to make sure that you're not, if you're an electrical engineer, you got training in that, your education is in that, that's the only thing you've done for the last 20 years, you don't need to be signing and sealing plans for structures of a building or something like that. And same thing with, you know, structural engineer, you know, that's had 15 years of experience, the only thing that they've ever done is structural work, and they're signing and sealing electrical plans. Yeah, that's not going to fly with the board. Let's not do that. So, all right, if there's any questions, feel free to check out my website. It's northstatelawfirm.com. I've got a number of blogs on there. I also have some YouTube videos. My channel is my last name, Dogle, and should be under North State Law as well. Any questions, also feel free to give me a call. It's 919-521-8810, or you can reach me at admin@northstatelawfirm.com. So everybody have a great day out there, and thank you for helping take care of North Carolina. Bye-bye.